Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start polynomial of class 9. It is a chapter number 2 of NCERT. Before starting exercise 2.1, let's get familiar with a few terms. So first we will understand what is the meaning by what you mean by polynomials. Poly means many. Many terms. Poly means many. Polynomials means which have many terms. So a polynomial is made up of algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is made up of a constant and variable. So this we call the algebraic expression. Now what is a constant? If we talk about constant is a value whose value doesn't change. So if I suppose I write 3, so 3 will remain 3. It is not going to be take a value as a 9, 10, anything else. Now variable, as the word tells, its value changes, its value vary. It can be 2, 3. So usually we denote by we don't represent it by a number. We represent by a small alphabets like A, B, C, X, Y, Z, or any small alphabets. Now what are terms? Suppose we take a combination of algebraic expression, combination by plus or minus sign. So suppose it is x square plus 2x plus 3. Now if I ask how many terms does this expression has, so we count like 1, 2, 3. The terms are separated by plus minus sign. So this expression has how many terms? These has 3 terms. Let's take one more example. Now suppose if I ask you what is how many terms this expression contains, the expression contains 2 terms. Okay, so the polynomial which have one term like 2 or 2x, these are called monomial. Which have 2 terms like example these are called binomial. Which have 3 terms like are called trinomial, and which have more than 3 are called polynomials. And beside that, these monomial, binomial, trinomials are also called a polynomial. But when they are only 1, 2, 3, they are classified as monomial, binomial, trinomial. But in a general, they all are a polynomial. Now, what is coefficient? Let's suppose an expression. This is a polynomial of variable x. So if I ask what is the variable coefficient of x square in x square, so we have to check what is in the multiplication of x square. Here in the multiplication of x square only 1 is there plus 1, so you will write only 1. Take one more example. If I say another example, and now they ask what is the coefficient of x square. Here the coefficient of x square is minus 1. See here nothing is there, so 1 is there because when we multiply 1 with any number, the result will remain same, and minus sign is there, so it will be minus 1. So it is a coefficient. So now these are the so in this way we will do the coefficient. It will be more clear once we will do a exercise. Now we will do about degree. Degree. Suppose we take a polynomial. Now this is a polynomial. They are asking to find the degree of this polynomial. To find the degree of this polynomial, this is a polynomial of variable x. So you have to find the highest degree of x. The highest degree of x is here 3. highest. So degree of this polynomial is 3. When we say take one more example. In this polynomial, if we ask the degree, so degree will be 4. Now, hello, today we are going to start exercise 2.1. So read the first we will read the first question. Which of the following expression are polynomial in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. So first understand the question. They are asking which of the expressions are polynomials in one variable. So you have to tell only which are polynomial and which are also in one variable. So look at the first part, 4x square minus 3x plus 7. This is the first question. So we have to check whether it is a polynomial or not and whether it is a polynomial in one variable or not. Variable is only one. Here only x is there, so it is in variable 1. So we have to tell whether it is a polynomial or not. See the variable. Variable power is in a whole number, so it is a polynomial in one variable. Now move to the second question. Second question is y square plus root 2. Same thing we have to check in this question. We have to check whether it is a polynomial or not in one variable. So only y is there, so it is in one variable. And to check whether it is a polynomial or not, we have to see the power. It is a whole number or not. Here y power is 2, so it is a whole number, so it is a polynomial in one variable. So answer will be yes, it is a polynomial in one variable for both. Now move to the third part. Third is 3 root t plus t root 2. So what else we can write for this? 3 in place of root we will write t to the power 1 by 2 plus t. We can write this or not? We can write. Now we will check whether it is a polynomial or not. No, it is not a polynomial because the t power is 1 by 2, which is not a whole number. So it is not a polynomial. So no need to check whether it is a variable on one variable or two variable. It's simply not a polynomial. Now move to the fourth question. Y plus 2 prime. Similarly, in this again question, you can write y plus 2. Y we will take into the numerator, so it will be power will become minus 1. Again here it is a variable in one. It is one variable polynomial expression, but it is not a polynomial because y power is not a whole number. So no, it is not a polynomial. Now move to the fifth question. X की power 10 plus 5. Here all the power is in whole number, so it is a polynomial, but it is not polynomial in one variable because here 3 variables are given, so it is polynomial but not in one variable. Okay. Now move to the second question. Second question, they are saying write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. Read the question again. We have to write the coefficient of only x square. So this we will write the second question. First part. So what is the first? 2 plus x square plus x. They are asking you to write only the coefficient of x square again. In this, what is the coefficient of x square? Only it is here, it is plus sign and no nothing is there, so that means 1 is in multiplication of x square, so therefore plus 1 is the coefficient of x square. Second question, 2 minus x square plus x cube. In this question again x square we have to check here. See, here it is minus and nothing is there. So what is the coefficient? Minus 1. Move to the third question. Pi by 2 x square plus x. They are asking the coefficient of x square. So here no sign is there. So plus is there. And what is in the multiplication? Pi by 2. So coefficient of x square is pi by 2. Move to the fourth question. This is root 2x minus 1. So what is the, here no x square term is there. So what is the coefficient of x square? That is 0. Now read the third question. They are saying give one example of each of a binomial of degree 35 and monomial of degree 100. So they are asking you to give each example of one is binomial and one is monomial. So binomial will having degree 35. So binomial means which has two terms. So you can take any two terms, differentiate, you can differentiate between plus and minus, and they are asking which has degree 35. Degree 35 means any of these two terms should have highest degree 35. So it can be this, it can be like that also, and there is many hundred ways to write the example of binomial with degree 35. Sorry, it is 35. Now second question, they are asking monomial. Second part of this question, they are asking monomial of degree 100. Monomial means only one term. So you can write this, or you can take any variable t100. So this is a monomial. Now move of the question number 4th. There, read the question. Write the degree of each of the following polynomial. What is the degree? The degree is the highest power of that polynomial. So this is the first question. First question is 5x cube per 4x square plus 7x. So they are asking you to write the degree of this this polynomial. So here 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. So what is the highest degree? Here only one variable is there, x, and the highest degree is 3. So what is the degree? 3. So it is the answer. Now second part is 4 minus y square. So again the only one variable is there, y. So degree is y square is the highest degree. So degree is 2. Third question. Here only t is their variable and the highest degree is power is 1. So degree will be 1. That is the answer. Fourth one, 3. Here no variable is there, so degree will be 0. Why degree will be 0? Because any variable, if you add, it will be 0. That will be 1. If you write in multiplication, degree will be 1. 0. So degree will be a 0. So answer will be a 0. Because any number you take a 0 is equal to 1. Fifth question. Classify the following as linear, quadratic or cubic polynomials. So what are the linear? This is the fifth question. Classify the each of the following quadratic, linear, cubic. Linear, quadratic, cubic. So linear are polynomial which have degree 1, cubic, quadratic which have degree 2, and cubic which has degree 3. So move on to the first question. This is x square plus x. So what is the highest degree here? What is the degree here? 2. So it will be a quadratic. Now move to the second question. X minus x cube. Here degree is 3. So it will be cubic. Very simple. Third question. Y plus y square plus 4. Here degree is 2. So again it will be a quadratic. Fourth. 1 plus x. Here degree is 1. so it will be a linear. Now fifth, here degree is 1, it will be linear. Now move to sixth, r square, here degree is 2, so again it will be quadratic. Seventh one, here degree is 3, this is the seventh one question, degree C, so it is a cubic.